Guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. I hope you all are doing well. So, as my previous video, I promised I'll do some hair care tips and tricks here and there. So, I'm back with another video. This video is very interesting. We always might be having long hair, short hair, whatever. But there comes a time when we realize that our hair is so dull, lifeless. There is no shine, luster at all. So I've got 3 magical ingredients that in a matter of 15 minutes you will get bouncy, shiny hair. Wait, first ignore this noise. The children are really not letting me record a video. It's time of Holi and there is noise everywhere. I tried my best and this is the perfect time. I really cannot do anything about it, so please forgive me for that, and just let's concentrate on this video. Anyways, as I was saying, that especially now that Holi is gone, we all need this tip. Everyone I see is complaining about dry hair, rough hair because of the color, chemicals, all that got into our scalp. So anyway, this 3 magical ingredient will, in a span of 10 to 15 minutes, like 10 minutes for me, I don't keep it for this mask for more than 10 minutes. In a matter of 10 minutes you will see that your hair is shiny, bouncy, thick. People who have very lump hair, like they are always very, like there is no shine, or very thin, can get instant bounce in their hair using this ingredient. So I'll just show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. The most important, the star ingredient of today's DIY is egg. Yes, very important. I love eggs. I love having eggs. I love incorporating them in all my DIYs. I've always told you. And the second ingredient that we will be needing is little bit of lime juice, little bit, like few drops. And the third ingredient that we would be using is little bit of coconut oil. I've already melted the oil, not much, half a teaspoon of coconut oil. What we would do is we'll take the entire egg, the whole egg, and mix it in the coconut oil and add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, and mix all the 3 ingredients very nicely. So I'll just mix the ingredients and come back to you. Now that I have mixed the ingredients, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it is little foamy and the consistency is perfect, little runny, so that you can apply it very nicely. And now I'll tell you how to apply this mask. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take little bit and apply like so, in the exact way, the way I apply my hair oil. So I'll first start with the roots. These roots are very important, guys. Make sure that your roots get equal, most amount of nourishment, not actually equal, the most amount of nourishment is required on your scalp, the roots actually. So make sure that you apply this mask on every corner, every section, like part your hair, make sections and start applying on all the sections. I'll advise something, make sure you do it in your washroom because this mask can get little messy. It will, obviously. For the recording purpose, I am doing it in my room. Please do it in your washroom properly, take proper time and apply the mask. After you applied it in entire scalp area, you see this way, when you finish applying on your scalp area, rest the amount you have applied in the entire length of your hair till the roots, especially on the ends of your hair because those are the most dry. Like take very generous amount and apply this way. So now I have applied the mask in my entire root and length of my hair, and you can see it will drip a bit, so I would suggest that apply a hair shower cap so that you can keep it easily for 10 minutes. I don't keep it more than 10 minutes because I feel then my hair gets little extra bouncy or it's unmanageable. Already I have a little bit of bouncy hair, so I keep it for 10 minutes. I usually do this mask for the shine that it gives. You can keep it for 15 minutes, but do not keep it more than for 15 minutes. Now coming back to the fact that how would you wash. So generally what I do is, if I'm in a hurry, I wash this mask off and wash it with a normal shampoo, condition my hair, and I'm good to go. But sometimes what I do, like today, I have ample amount of time. I'll wash this mask. I'll leave my hair like this overnight. I will not use shampoo immediately. I am not going anywhere tonight, so I can easily wash my hair tomorrow with a shampoo, rinse it off with shampoo. I'll just simply after 10 minutes wash my hair with normal tap water and let it dry. Let it air dry. Do not do any heat treatment or whatsoever. Just let it dry normally, and the next day, if you have that time, then next day wash it off normally with normal mild shampoo and apply a bit of conditioner, and you are good to go. You are sorted. But if you have time like today I do, fortunately, keep it, wash the mask normally with water, and then let it be like that. It will not smell much, and anyway you are at home, doesn't matter. And wash it off the next morning with mild shampoo and apply conditioner, and you will see the amount of shine and bounce that this mask gives. Now the ingredients. Egg is always known for making your hair bouncy and shiny. It gives that special oof bump effect to your hair. It makes your hair really shiny. Second ingredient, that is lime juice. Lime juice will help you if you have a little bit of dandruff or itchy scalp. It will get rid of anything, any such dandruff and all that problem, itchy scalp problem of yours. And on top of that, it will add shine, same as egg. With lime and egg, anyway, it's very shiny thing. That those ingredients are very good for your hair. It will give you that shine. I have added coconut oil for the nourishment. For the conditioning effect of coconut oil, you can use almond oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice, but I prefer using natural virgin coconut oil. I use a Patanjali one. You can use any coconut oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use almond oil, any oil of your choice. Make sure that the ingredients are as natural as possible. So this is the mask that I have applied. I'll wash it off, and I hope you get a good result. I hope you try this mask. Please do try this mask. Take a picture before and after and check for yourself whether there is shine or not. And please do write in the comment section below and let me know whether you like this video or not. And if you are someone visiting my channel for the first time, hello, I am Varnali. Please do subscribe to my channel. I make videos on DIY, lifestyle and beauty every week. And please do subscribe to my channel. Please click on the red bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And please leave your lovely comments. I love getting back to you all. I have a couple of other hair care requests that I have got, and I am trying my best to do as much as I can. I'll try to get back to the shampoo and conditioning routine which someone have requested to me, but this is my go-to hair mask. Please do try. It is very effective for everyone. Oily, dry, any person can use it. If you have very dry hair, then I would just suggest don't use a lime juice. Other than that, you can just add oil and egg and try this hair mask. It is very nice. It will really make your hair shiny, and you have a party to go to, no need to go to spa, just do it at home. Anyways, with that, I have blabbered enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit on the like button, and please do share with your friends. Don't forget to share with your friends, guys, please. Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you all like this video. Keep smiling. Love you all. Bye bye.